Hello my crypto fam and welcome back to the crypto show. Alright, Heimer raised more than $5 million so far. CEX and DX listings coming soon. Heimer, the first meme coin with AI-powered yield optimization, just passed over $5 million in community-raised funds, and the listing rumors are everywhere, guys. Let's break this down and see what I'm talking about.
I just want to tell you that I'm not your financial advisor. This is not your financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investments. Heimer is one of the fastest growing pre-sales in 2025. More than $5 million raised without any VC help. And that's not all right now. The rumors are flying about the listing on Uniswap, Bitmart and HTX as well. And you can see over here what I'm talking about, guys. Take a look over here on XTM Twitter. You can see right now the nuclear phase, the final stage on July 15. Heimer exits the lab and enters the market after that. That means right now is the best possible moment for someone to get in and to get the tokens, of course, of the Heimer. The experiment is complete, the launch sequence is armed, CEX listings confirmed, and plus 45% bonus Heimer before the officially listing right now. Also, as you can see, listing announcement over here, Bitmart Exchange, one of the best CXs out there, is right now confirmed for the Heimer, the Pep. And also over here you can see the Uniswap, and with that we have a massive credibility to the Heimer and weightings in our space soon after the launch. Right now, already 10x gains for early stage buyers, and the hype right now is getting louder, as you can see what I'm talking about over here. You can see over here, for example, on web3wire.net, that right now they are really featuring what right now is Heimer is doing, and why right now is so big, of course, to be the part of this massive project with really insane potential. Also, you can see over here on the cryptoinside.net, guys, the same article, namely something what is right now very similar, right now featuring the potential of the Heimer, the listings out there, and the biggest benefits from getting to the Heimer. I have a link in the description box down below. Take a look at that, guys, and check it out to see right now what I'm talking about. Alright, also guys, right now, what I can tell you, right now this matters really, because we have one more time over $5 million raised so far purely from the community. The pre-sale price is still way below project listing price, and one more time 10x from stage 1 already. And the projected price will be soon after launch, about $2 per token. One more time, guys, the listings officially drops July 15. I would say, of course, it's on your decision, do your own issue, guys. It's on application purposes, guys, but it's not too early, but almost too late. And one more time, guys, the bonus from 45% extra tokens for the buyers until July of 15. Well, guys, I have already did a couple of videos about Heimer, but who are new right now, my channel, right now the Heimer isn't just a meme over here, it's a full DeFi ecosystem with a Heimer fee right now, AI powered yield optimization. Also right now, beside that we have a gem fusion, it detects right now the hidden gem tokens, and also right now they are built on a layer 2 blockchain. Definitely, guys, say goodbye to the high gas fees on gateway. And right now this week is coming that we have staking up to 1,900% annual pre-roll, guys. I think right now it's really big. My high recommendation, guys, check it out over here, give it a shot, check the tokenomics, the roadmap, and dive deeper into everything, because I think right now Heimer has something to offer, especially this is right on the frog team token, guys. There's a right on the feature tokens, guys, in our space. Over here, guys, right now I want to show you how to buy token. As you can see, the 3 simple steps: creating full wallet, for example, the MetaMask, guys, it's my only recommendation over here. Choose the amount that you want to buy with and buy and stake after that. Namely, guys, the first of all, you need to head over to the pepheimer.io. To navigate over here on the top of the website, on the right side, you can see their T-app over here, the interface of the pre-sale. You just need to connect your wallets. As you can see, Trust Wallet, MetaMask Wallet Connect. You know, already knows the time always using the MetaMask. After that, guys, Silent over here the network. They are providing us with Ethereum, Arbitrum, and Binance Smart Chain. For example, I'll pick over here Ethereum. Enter the amount, namely how much you want to buy. For example, you want to swap it with 2 Ethereum, and over here you can see how many tokens you're going to receive. Confirm the purchase, guys. Done. You'll receive the tokens after the pre-sale ends on that way. I think it's really incredible. Over here you can also see right now their feature, guys, on a past crypto portals, one more time, AP News, Binance, Yahoo Finance, Morningstar, and more than that, it's Audit right now by the solid proof, as you can see with your own eyes, on that way boosting the credibility and legitimacy of the project. Also, guys, beside that, right now we have one more time a huge hype from the Twitter, namely X. I want to show you guys their official X profile, namely Twitter. When you click on it, you can see, guys, that right now they are rapidly growing community. You can stay updated on what is happening with the launch, with the pre-sale, and maybe some giveaways and airdrops. And also right now on Telegram, right now you can join over here, I would say, discussions, be engaged with the people, and right now feel the Pep Heimer energy and really see what I'm talking about. Overall, guys, when I sum it up, when I wrap it up, right now we have more than $5 million raised and counting. After that, listing confirmed from July 15, real DeFi products up to almost 2000% staking annual pre-yield. You can also check it out over here when you click, guys, on staking it to see what I'm talking about and how everything is distributed over here. And overall, guys, beside that, 10x gains already and much more ahead. You can right now also invite your friends. I would say everyone who has interest, guys, to do something like that, and also get and earn 10% commission, guys, on your every referral. I would say overall, as you can see, we have one great and whole ecosystem with high potential with everything what is happening with the Pep Heimer. Please check on the description box down below. Let me know your thoughts about Pep Heimer in the comment section down below, and smash that like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot. That was a crypto show, and I'll catch you in the next video.